Today we're gonna be replacing the gas cap on this 2002 Chevy S10. This is my old one. The string attachment is broken, so we have part of it here. So what we're gonna do is remove this first, and what I'm using is like this little pry bar here, and we're just gonna try to take it out. It's a little cold out here, so that's why it's frozen. There you go. Make sure it's cleaned up inside. You take your old one, and all you have to do is push it in. Once it's pushed in, you remove your old gas cap. You hear it click a couple of times, and you have replaced your gas cap on your Chevy S10. Later.